Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Bang & Olufsen BEOSOUND A5 portable speaker and you need to do a soft reset on it or a force restart, a power cycle on it, in case it's not responding or you're having any kind of issues like if the Bluetooth is not connecting or not pairing, if the buttons are not working, if you're having issues with the sound, anything like this where you're just trying to basically debug it, but you're not trying to do a factory reset on it, you're not trying to delete the pairing information or anything like that. You're just trying to force it to power cycle. So this is a really easy thing to do on this speaker. All we need to do is just come in and press and hold the power button for 20 seconds. So if you press and hold the power button for 20 seconds, no matter what's going on with the speaker, it will power cycle and it will restart, basically turn off and turn back on the speaker. And then hopefully that will have fixed whatever issue you're having. If it doesn't fix the issue, you may need to move on to an actual hard factory default reset on it. And I'll put a link in the description to the instructions on how to do that.